What's up, guys, and happy hump day. Yay. So anyway, happy hump day. Tonight Big Brian is making one of his favorite meals. I call this the poor man's meal, but it tastes so good. Yes, and a lot of people don't like it. Some do. I love it. I'm making liver and onions. Yes, sir. So, kick back and relax. And I'll be right back. I'm going to run my long intro so you can kick back and relax, all right?
Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Nice. Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back in to the Big Brian Show. What's up, peeps? You are now cooking with Big Brian. Yes, sir. Let's get cooking. Okay, guys, I'm back and got the onions going. Now I'm gonna add the liver. Okay. Okay, guys, and this is sliced beef liver. All right. I took my onions out the pan, and I'm gonna put the liver in the pan now. There you go, guys. And I got some butter in there with it, and there it is. Liver's good for you. Good for your blood. Let that cook for a few minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna make me some mashed potatoes. Add my salt and pepper, and well, that's salt, seasoned salt, pepper. While it's cooking, give it some flavor. And it don't take long for liver to cook, guys. Not long at all. Flipping it over. God, this is so good. Tell you what, if you don't like liver and onions, you don't know what you are missing. Jesus, so good. Now I'm gonna put the onions in with the liver. It's all done now. Yes, sir. That is beautiful. Taste of liver. Liver has its own unique taste. And with onions, it's like liver and onion go together like hamburger and french fries. That's all I can tell you. Beans and frank. Liver and onions. So good. So good. I'm just eating this right out the pan, guys. Excuse me. Okay, guys. This meal is to die for. And you know what else go with liver and onions? Good is peas. Yeah, peas, but I don't have any. But and liver and rice. And we gotta give baby girl some. Here, baby girl. Yeah. Yeah, so he likes it too. So he likes it. Oh yeah. So you guys have a great day and don't sleep on the liver and onions. Like I said, liver is good for your blood. All right, peace out, guys. Man, so god dang on good. I'm teasing you. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, gotta add some hot sauce. There we go. Guys, the liver and onions is good, but I forgot one thing. The gravy. Gotta have the gravy in there with it. There we go. There we go. How about that? There you go, guys. I heated everything up back up in the microwave, and this. You gotta have the gravy too. You don't have to, but it's good for the mashed potatoes. Okay? Peace out, guys. I'm gonna go here now and watch me some YouTube. Later, dog.